What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel here today. And today's reaction video I have for you guys top 5 Hurricane Eye walls. Incredible. Before we get to this reaction video, I just want to say that smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment down below and see what you think of this reaction video. And you better see some nice Hurricane Eye walls, top 5 of them. It's gonna be a great reaction video for the night. It's gonna be the last reaction video for the night. And I'll see you guys on Friday. But probably tomorrow I'll be posting too. You might want to keep an eye out for that. If I don't post on Thursday, I'll post on Friday. And plus, we have a live stream on Friday. So if you guys want to come to the live stream, it's going to be at, um, I'll tell you what the schedule on Friday, but I'm not sure what the schedule's going to be yet until I can figure it out. Then I'll get back to you guys on Friday and tell you guys what time you guys need to be there. Without further ado, this first one have some music in there, but it's going to be talking, so I had to mute it for a little bit, and then at the end of the half, then I'll mute it again, or unmute it, then we can hear him talking, but I'll be talking over a little bit of it, you guys can enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight into it. I don't know what kind of hurricane this is, but I think it's Hurricane. I forgot about it. But it doesn't even tell me in the top 5. Well, it didn't tell me, but this one is pretty nice to be in the Hurricane Eye. But you have to be careful because it's one of the most dangerous uh, part of the hurricane. If it go past by, then you see the same. Then you see a dangerous winds like you get before. Before you get to the Hurricane Eye, the hurricane comes first before the eye. So after when the hurricane storm passes, is the eye, and then it goes back to the hurricane storm. You guys can see that. But this this guy decided that he's gonna go outside, take some photos or some videos of the hurricane eye. But after that hurricane eye pass, you might want to get back inside because it's gonna be another hurricane storm passing by. That's not all of it. That's not what you think happens after. You think that is all, and the hurricane eye will just stay there. But when it goes past by, the hurricane wave is gonna be coming. So you might want to be careful about that. You can go outside and check it for a little bit, but just go back inside after. So yeah, just telling you guys about that part right there. We all have been to a hurricane storm, but I was just saying about the hurricane eye. You don't want to too, stay too long outside, or else you suffer the hurricane storm. So this one is Hurricane Irma. So they're gonna collect data from the Hurricane Irma. We're gonna see that too. Now, now this one is not gonna be no music. Now I'm gonna turn it up a little bit so you guys can hear it. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Let's see. All right. That's Irma, the hurricane eye. Let me unmute it again because let me switch it down a little bit. So that's Hurricane Irma eye right there. So it's still a little bit dangerous. First passed in Irma, so they gonna they first passed the Irma, so that's the storm right there. Now this one is a little bit not dangerous, but they're gonna pass by to collect some data, but it's not too dangerous. It's just the hurricane eye is a little bit dangerous when the hurricane hunter fly into it. So just saying about that. That's a lot of wind and gusts through there, but nothing major happened. Nothing major, too major happened. It's just the hurricane eye just strong. That's the most dangerous part of the eye of the hurricane. So you don't want to get into that. But no winds, no engine got damaged or anything. It's just they fly to collect data. Now this one is the Category 5 Hurricane Irma again, but this time it's Category 5. He's entered into the eye of Irma, so it looks like a football stadium, like a what do you call it, the Super Bowl, but it looks like a soccer field too. It looks like a soccer stadium, but it's nice. It's real beautiful when you get into the eye, but after when the eye pass, it's not gonna be so nice because the hurricane storm's gonna be coming soon too. So you gotta see the hurricane eye, but after that, it goes right back to the storm. So it's real nice to see one of those, but after you're not gonna see it. So just tell you guys about that. I have to turn it down again because music. But it's nice to see a hurricane eye. Nobody cares. This is number one. I think this is the U.S. Air Force. Oh yeah, it's from the National Hurricane Center. They send out the hurricane hunters. Yep, from the National Hurricane Center. They fly out to collect some more data, but I don't know what kind of hurricane this is. They didn't tell. Let me see. Uh, nope, it doesn't say. But it's nice. But it's a little bit windy and rainy in there. Nothing too major. It looks like I'm in a hurricane right now. My background looks like I'm in a hurricane storm of the eye. Wait, If you guys have ever seen the eye, it's nice. But after that, you have to go back inside because there's a hurricane coming through next after. But if any of you guys have ever saw a hurricane eye, just leave it in the comments down below and let me know. I have never seen one. Well, I probably did, but I have never seen one. So, but I stay inside for most of the hurricanes. I never go outside. But after when the storm passed, I go outside to like pick up all the bush and trees and then sticks and stuff. But I never go outside during the storm. Wow. Wow. That's one nice one. Wow. That is one nice hurricane storm. Well, not hurricane storm, the eye. Hmm. Sorry guys, I'm that. If you guys like this video and you want me to do more of it, please leave a like or smash that like button and smash that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel to see more of these. Just smash the subscribe the like button, but you can also smash the subscribe button too. Just show me that you want more videos like this, that I'll do more, that I'll try to find some more to do, but that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment down below what you think of this video. And until then, guys, I'll either see you guys on Thursday or tomorrow. But after that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.